This Cockpit kit is specifically designed for GoPro Hero9 Black through GoPro Hero 12 Black cameras. It contains all the essential parts to help you capture the most complete, beautiful, and professional cockpit videos imaginable. Inside the custom NFlight case, you will find our proprietary NFlight glass ND16 and ND8 lens filters. These filters allow you to attenuate the incoming natural light. You can then fine-tune the exposure and shutter speeds of your GoPro camera to manipulate the propeller's look and blur. The results are clean line of sight, vibrant blue skies, and dynamic white clouds. Next, you will find our industrial-grade suction cup paired with our 360-degree adjustable stainless steel mounting arm. This mount allows you to position the camera in any direction from virtually anywhere inside the aircraft, provided you have a non-porous, flat, and smooth mounting surface. You will also find the NFlight 6-foot digital audio recording cable and GoPro's 3.5mm Pro mic adapter. This combination allows you to record cockpit audio while simultaneously powering your camera.
Kind of go past him and then pour go up that way.
I mean, as soon as you clear this one, you might be able to start the climb again.
Maybe. I might have to wait till we're on our northbound path. We'll see. I mean, I think this is okay. I don't see any traffic here.
To connect an audio cable to the GoPro Hero9 through Hero 12, the battery door must be removed, exposing the battery. Our kit includes a custom replacement door that holds the battery in place while allowing the cable to be plugged in through a custom cutout. If you already own a GoPro Hero 9 Black or Hero 10, Hero 11, or Hero 12 Black, this cockpit recording kit is turnkey and ready to use. For more information, contact us by email support@nflightcam.com or by phone 907-891-8607.